All right, this is for Anthony Jennings. I'm out here at Marconi, and he said something about boat ramp etiquette. Okay, we got some etiquette here. See, main boat ramp right there. As you notice, I got my boat off to the side over here. I'm unloading it and getting everything ready to go. I'm putting it right here, not in the boat ramp, onto the side of the boat ramp. That way, when I get my boat, this is the same thing as like a kayak. My kayak, I would do the same thing. I would off to the side of the boat ramp, get everything ready to go. Then I would pull down here, just like I'm gonna do with my truck, and pull my boat over, load it in, pull everything up, and then strap it down once I get it up there. Don't sit in the ramp, get your crap ready, because I've seen people do that before, like sailboats. I've seen sailboats actually come in here, not even ready to go, and take up the whole boat ramp. Well, there's like 3 or 4 cars up here waiting for people to launch their boats, but because there's a sailboat sitting right here, nobody can use the ramp. And the thing was, the guy was looking at all of us going, oh, well, you know what? Off to the side or up in the parking lot, get it ready to launch, then back it down, launch it, get your car out of the way. Now, like I'm doing here, boat's off to the side. It'll do the same thing with my kayak. It'd be off to the side, and I'm unloading it now. I'll stack everything up here, stage it, get ready to go, and then when I got it all emptied out, I will flip it around, flip it over, get ready to load it in my truck. I will back my truck down here, slide it in my truck, pull out of here up into the upper part of the parking lot, strap it down. That way I'm not in nobody's way. That is proper launch ramp etiquette as far as I can tell. And as far as I'm concerned, yes, it is. That's for you, Anthony. Okay, so now I have all my stuff staged here. I have my boat turned over, ready to go, and I'm gonna walk up here, get my truck, back it down. Just load my truck in, and boom. All right. So I'm all set. Gonna pull my boat up to my truck. Oops. And I'll throw one strap on it just to get it up top. So the one strap on to get it up top, and I'll go ahead and put the battery and the motor in the truck. And the rest of it I can carry up top.
People playing God, call it genetic engineering. Media misleading us and evils interfering while the government we need became the power. The future till we ruin them with headlines. Should be past their bedtime, but everyone's woke.
You see, it's that quick. Put the truck in rock crawl.
Soon enough, the government will leave your bank account froze. Judgment day is coming. You can run or you can stand and fight.
That rock on rock crawl. And let's go.
The end is coming. I'll see y'all in the afterlife.
You see? Rock crawled right out of there. If it's the end of the world, I know that I have lived my life. Now I gotta do is go get the rest of my stuff, load it up.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling.